Welcome to Night Cosmos, your quiet sanctuary where the universe unfolds in a soothing whisper, perfect for unwinding or slipping into a starlit dream. Tonight, we're venturing to the edge of the unknown, to places where light bends and time slows, black holes. These enigmatic voids, born from the ashes of stars, pull at our curiosity like gravity itself. Picture a swirling glow, a golden ring against a cosmic dark, hiding a heart so dense it warps reality. They're gateways, riddles, shadows of the infinite, feared as destroyers, yet whispering secrets of creation. How do we find them? What do they hide? Could they lead somewhere beyond? From ancient guesses to modern marvels, their story is ours. A tale of wonder, science, and the unseen. Settle in, let your breath ease, and join me as we drift toward these cosmic enigmas, where the universe folds into silence and the unknown beckons with a quiet, endless pull. Our journey begins centuries ago, when the night sky was a canvas of questions. Early stargazers saw lights wink out, stars vanishing without a trace, leaving only mystery. In 1783, John Mitchell, a quiet English clergyman, pondered a wild idea. What if a star were so massive its gravity trapped even light? He called it a dark star, a notion too strange for his time, scribbled in a letter and forgotten. Pierre-Simon Laplace, a French mathematician, echoed it years later, imagining a sphere so dense, nothing escaped. These were guesses, sparks in the dark, born before we knew the word black hole. No telescopes could see them, they were invisible, felt only in the mind's eye. Yet the seed was planted, a force beyond sight, a shadow in the stars. As you rest, picture those early thinkers, quills scratching, eyes on the heavens, dreaming of a power they couldn't grasp, a whisper of the abyss reaching across time. The story sharpened in 1915 when Albert Einstein unveiled his theory of relativity, a map of space and time as a fabric stretched and curved by mass. He didn't seek black holes, but his equations did. They predicted places where gravity grew infinite, where the fabric crumpled into a pit nothing could climb. Karl Schwarzschild, a German physicist, solved them first, sketching a boundary, the event horizon, beyond which light and matter vanished. It was a math-born marvel of singularity at its core, a point of no size, endless weight. Einstein balked, it felt unreal, a glitch in his elegant cosmos, yet the idea held. A quiet hum beneath his work. Astronomers ignored it, too odd, too unseen. Until stars began to hint at truth. As you drift, imagine that fabric. Stars dimpling it, planets rippling it, and black holes tearing through. A silent dance of equations come alive. Black holes stayed shadows until the stars betrayed them. In the 1960 set, astronomers spotted odd pairs. Stars wobbling, tugged by invisible partners. Cygnus X1, a bright X-ray source in the Swan constellation, was the first clue. A blue supergiant danced with nothing, a companion too massive, too dark to be a star. John Wheeler, a physicist with a poet's flair, named them black holes in 1967, a term that stuck like stardust. X-rays poured from gas spiraling in, heated to millions of degrees before vanishing past the horizon. It was proof, not a guess, but a signal. Soon, telescopes found more, silent giants lurking in galactic hearts, bending light, pulling worlds. As you lie there, see that dance? A star trembling, its unseen partner glowing in X-rays, a cosmic waltz revealing the abyss, a quiet roar in the dark. How do they form? Picture a star 10 times our sun's mass, burning bright for millions of years. It fuses hydrogen to helium, helium to carbon, a furnace racing toward iron. When iron fills its core, the fire dies. Gravity wins. In a heartbeat, it collapses, a million miles shrinking to a speck, then explodes in a supernova flash seen across galaxies. What's left falls inward, crushing matter to a point, the singularity. Cloaked by an event horizon, a line no light crosses. Smaller stars fade to white dwarfs or neutron stars, but these giants birth black holes, their graves a gateway. Some grow vast, millions of suns heavy, feasting on gas and stars at galaxy centers. As you rest, imagine that collapse. A star's last breath, a blast of light, then silence, a golden ring fading to a shadow, a new void whispering in the night. What's inside? Beyond the horizon lies the unknown. Time slows as you near, seconds stretch to years until gravity's pull snaps you past. The singularity waits, a speck of infinite density where physics frays. Einstein's rules falter, space and time twist into a knot. No equation unties. Some dream of tunnels, wormholes, linking black holes to white holes, spitting matter into other realms. Others see a crush, a final squeeze to nothing. Stephen Hawking added a twist. In 1974, black holes hum, leaking energy, hawking radiation. As quantum flickers defy their grip, they shrink, evaporate, a slow fade over eons. As you drift, picture that edge. Light bending, clock stalling, a hum rising from the dark, a gateway to a mystery we chase but cannot touch. The biggest live at galaxy hearts, supermassive black holes, millions to billions of suns heavy. Sagittarius A, 4 million suns strong, anchors our Milky Way. A quiet king 26,000 light years away. We found it by watching stars. S2 and others, whipping around an unseen point, orbits too fast for anything else. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope captured 1.8 billion suns. Its golden ring, a halo against shadow, the first photo of a black hole's edge. It glowed, gas spiraling in at light's brink, a triumph of human eyes peering into the abyss. These giants grow, swallowing stars, merging with kin, shaping galaxies over eons. As you lie there, see that ring, stars racing, light curling, a cosmic crown glowing soft. A silent ruler of the night, black holes bend more than light. They warp our dreams. H.G. Wells imagined time machines, Einstein's math teased at tunnels. Sci-fi ran wild, Interstellar showed a black hole. Gargantua, its disk, a clock slowing for travelers, a bridge to distant stars. Hawking mused they might shred or rewrite reality, portals to baby universes or graves of information. The information paradox haunts us. Does what falls in vanish or linger in some ghostly cove? Quantum whispers say it escapes, etched in radiation, a debate unresolved. As you rest, feel that pull, not just of gravity, but wonder. A golden swirl hiding past, a cosmic riddle humming through the dark. A gateway we imagine, but cannot cross. They're not rare. Black holes dot the cosmos like stars. Stellar ones born of supernovae scatter through the Milky Way. Tens of millions may be unseen until they tug a companion or flare with X-rays. Supermassive ones anchor every galaxy, from Andromeda to the farthest specks, their hunger shaping spiral arms and jets of light. Primordial black holes, tiny and ancient, might drift too, relics of the Big Bang. Smaller than atoms, heavier than mountains, evaporating in quiet bursts. We hunt them with telescopes. Chandra's X-ray eye, Hubble's lens, tracking, wobbles, flares, shadows. As you drift, picture them. Countless, cloaked, glowing soft in gas. A hidden choir singing through the void, a secret woven into the universe's hum. How do we see the unseen? Gravity betrays them, stars shift, tugged by invisible hands. Light bends, gravitational lensing, turning black holes into cosmic magnifying glasses, warping galaxies behind them. X-rays scream from devoured gas, a last cry before the plunge. The 2019 photo took years. Telescopes worldwide synced, stitching Earth into one giant eye, peering at M87's heart. Radio waves caught the glow, computers wove the ring, LIGO added sound in 2015, ripples in space-time, black holes crashing, a chirp from a billion years ago. Each tool peels the veil, a quiet symphony of discovery. As you lie there, hear that chirp, light curving, waves trembling, a golden edge shining, a dance of shadows revealed, a whisper from the deep. They challenge time itself. Near the horizon, seconds crawl, hours for you, years for the stars. Cross it and time's arrow bends, past and future blurring. Hawking's radiation ties them to entropy, a slow leak tying order to chaos. Some say they're clocks, rewinding at the singularity, ticking backward in hidden realms. Others see ends, time stopping, crushed to a point. Sci-fi dreams of travelers aging slow, returning to a world long gone. It's a relativities, war. Quantum's hum, a knot we ponder. As you rest, feel that stretch. Clocks slowing, stars racing, a golden ring where moments linger, a cosmic hourglass turning in the silence, a gateway to time's edge. Black holes sing, not in sound, but waves. LIGO's chirps, collisions a billion light years off. Ripple space-time, a tremor felt on Earth. Radio telescopes catch gas hissing. X-rays pulse from devoured stars. Hawking's hum, too faint to hear, leaks over eons, a quantum sigh. In 2017, a neutron star met a black hole. Its scream caught, a duet of doom and birth. These songs tell stories, masses merging, horizons trembling, a cosmos alive with motion. As you drift, hear that hum. Waves washing, light flaring, a soft pulse from the dark, a symphony of the unseen, a lullaby from the abyss, a quiet echo threading through the stars. Could they lead somewhere? Wormholes spark the dream, tunnels through space-time, linking black holes to white holes, spewing matter elsewhere. Einstein and Rosen sketched them in 1935. A bridge too fragile, pinched by gravity's crush. Sci-fi runs with it. Portals to new skies, shortcuts to Andromeda, paths through time. But physics hesitates. Singularities block, radiation burns, stability fades, yet the idea glows. A black hole, not an end, but a door. Hawking wondered if they birth universes, each a bubble beyond ours. As you lie there, see that swirl, light bending, a tunnel glowing, a golden path fading soft. A dream of crossings, a whisper of worlds, a gateway we chase in the night. The creators too, not just graves. Supermassive black holes spin jet beams of gas and light, stretching light years, birthing stars in their wake. Their pull weaves galaxies, tugging dust to flame. The Big Bang might have sown them primordial seeds, growing vast, anchors of the cosmic web. Hawking's evaporation ends in bursts, tiny black holes flashing out, seeding chaos or calm. Their cycles, death to birth, crush to glow, a dance of endings and starts. As you rest, feel that spin, jets soaring, stars sparking, a golden ring humming, life. A quiet forge in the dark, a secret shaping the sky, a force beyond the void. Black holes test us, our tools, our minds. LIGO's mirrors catch waves of protons, width apart, a feat of glass and math. The Event Horizon Telescope spans Earth, a dish of dishes, peering through dust to snap M87's glow. Theories stretch, relativity bends, quantum flickers, a clash we chase. The paradox lingers, information lost or saved. Hawking bet it escapes, a wager won in thought, not proof. Each step, chirp, photo, hum, draws us closer, a quiet hunt for truth. As you drift, see that reach, lasers trembling, antennas turning, a golden edge in sight, a quest threading through the stars, a whisper we follow into the deep. They're near. Sagittarius A spins at our galaxy's core, a neighbor we've mapped but never touched. Cygnus X1, 6,000 light years off, flares in X-rays, a beacon we've known for decades. Millions more hide stellar ghosts in the Milky Way's arms, tugging silently. Beyond, M87's Titan looms, its photo a mirror to our own. They're not distant myths. Black holes weave our cosmic home, pulling strings we feel but rarely see. As you lie there, sense them close, glowing, a golden hum beneath the stars, a quiet presence in our night, a shadow we share, a secret pulsing through the void. What if we fell in? Near the horizon, tides stretch, spaghettification, a pull tearing atoms apart. Time slows, the universe speeds, stars blue shift to a final flash. Past the edge, the singularity looms. Crush or passage, no one knows. For supermassive ones, the fall's gentler. Hours to the core, a slow fade into mystery. Sci-fi paints survival, new skies, lost times, but physics shrugs, a veil unlifted. As you rest, Feel that plunge. Light stretching, stars racing, a golden ring closing soft. A dream of falling, a whisper of what waits. A quiet slide into the unknown. They're eternal, yet not. Stellar black holes linger trillions of years, supermassive ones longer, outlasting stars and galaxies. Hawking's radiation gnaws, slow for giants, fast for small, until they burst, a final spark in the dark. Primordial ones might fade now, there pops a signal we hunt. They'll see the universe's end, cold and dim, their hum the last note. As you drift, see that glow, golden rings shrinking, a soft flare fading, a quiet clock ticking through eons, a secret outliving the stars, a whisper threading to silence. Black holes mirror us, our fear, our awe. Ancient skies hid them, Einstein's math birthed them, LIGO's chirps sang them. They're graves of stars, wombs of worlds, riddles of time. We chase them, telescopes, waves, dreams, seeking not just answers but ourselves. Are they ends or doors, crush or cradle? The 2019 Ring M87's glow was our reflection, a species peering into the abyss, finding wonder. As you lie there, feel that mirror. Light bending, a golden hum rising, a quiet echo of our quest, a shadow we embrace, a gateway to who we are. Imagine one now. Its ring aglow, gas swirling, a star's last dance fading in. Jets flare, space-time ripples, a hum leaks soft. It's near, Sagittarius A or far, MA87, a sentinel in the night. It pulls, bends, hides, a secret we'll chase forever. Could it lead beyond to new skies, new times, or hold our story lost in its heart? As you rest, see that swirl, golden, warm, a cosmic eye watching back, a dream of the deep, a whisper of the infinite, a quiet call threading through the stars. There, our lullaby, black holes humming through the void, a song of light and shadow. From Michelle's guess to Hawking's glow, they've grown, riddles to rings, math to marvels. They bend our days, spark our nights, pull us to the edge. Rest easy knowing they spin. Golden, silent, a secret we touch in dreams. As you drift, feel their hum waves washing, time stretching, a quiet pull to the dark, a lullaby of the cosmos, a gateway glowing soft, a thread through the infinite. Let black holes cradle you tonight. Their rings aglow, their secrets deep. See them spin, hear their hum, feel their pull, a dance beyond the stars. They're out there, near and far, a whisper of the unknown, a light we chase. Thank you for joining me on Night Cosmos, this drift to the edge. Sleep well, wander their glow, rest in their silence, a cradle for your dreams. I'll see you soon under the starry sky, where Night Cosmos waits, a haven for your night, a song of the abyss.